my first experience of this dish was in Baguio. O, di ba? Very recently lang. And talagang super bongga because almost all of the karinderias, meron silang tinda nito. And makikita mo, iba't iba yung itsura. Merong boiled, merong grilled, merong mas maraming sauce, merong mas medyo tuyo. So, this dish is called dinakdakan. It is an Ilocano favorite, an Ilocano dish na according to my dearest Tita Letlet Cruz, who is Ilocano, ang traditional recipe daw po nito ay gumagamit ng pisngi ng baboy. And ang sauce, gumagamit ng utak. Pero ngayon, gagawa tayo ng medyo, hindi po kasi ako masyado mahilig sa pisngi, kasi masyado siyang mataba para sa akin. But again, the choice is yours. Whether you like pisngi or like me, I want liempo, this recipe will definitely work for you. The first step, kailangan natin palambutin yung ating karne. So, I have here liempo. Ilalagay ko lang yan dito sa aking kaserola. This is just 1 kilo. Into your kaserola, teka, isa-sandwich ko pala tong aking bawang. I have here bawang na merong konting balat. Salt. Black pepper. More liempo. The rest of the bawang. Splash of vinegar and water. So, papakuluin ko lang to for around 30 minutes or until lumambot yung aking liempo. 30 to 40 minutes, maximum na yung 40. And then, papalamigin natin ng konti. We're going to grill it and gagawin na natin yung dinakdakan. So, this has been boiling for almost 40 minutes. So, ito, hinahango ko na. And you see, it's very tender, pero hindi naman yung nadudurog. So, the next step, i-air dry mo lang yan dyan for around mga 10 minutes. So, when you grill it, hindi naman siya yung mamimilansik. Etong bracing liquid, discard na to. While we are air drying, habang ini-air dry mo yung iyong liempo na pinakuluan, let's prepare the dressing. I'm just going to put into my bowl good mayonnaise. O, diba? Yung authentic talaga, utak ang ginagamit. Eh, pero kasi, tayo ay nanggagaya lang. Hindi naman authentic talaga. Pero, masarap din to. Splash of soy sauce. Splash of oyster sauce. Parang kulang pa tong mayonnaise ko. A little bit more. Splash of calamansi. Some sugar. Black pepper. Okay, that's it. Now, pwede ko nang i-grill ito. Lagay mo yung mga bawang-bawang dyan sa grill para lumasa. So, pag nag-grill ka sa ganitong non-stick grill or griddle, para hindi halatang sa ganitong maniluto, what you can do, di ba, una, nakadiretsong ganyan, nakatayo. Pwede mong igilid ng konti naman, yan. Di ba? Para yung grill marks, kalat-kalat, hindi diretsyong-diretso. Pag kasi diretsyong-diretso, halatang sa ganito mo inihaw. Kung afraid ka sa talsikan na yan, lagyan mo ng dahon ng saging. You just want here the color and the texture. And of course, the smoky flavor. Kasi luto na naman yung liempo mo. I'm going to put paper towel just to get the excess fats. And this looks good to me. Okay, cool it down a bit. And then, isa-set up na natin yan. Okay. So, ayan. Hihiwa-hiwain mo lang yan into... Huwag mo na isama yung buto. Okay. Medyo nilaki-lakihan ko yung hiwa para naman hindi siya mukhang appetizer. Pero traditionally, mas maninipis po talaga yung hiwa niyan. And then, we're just going to toss it here. Okay, toss it. And then, I have here sliced ginger, shallots, green chilies. Okay, and to plate it, meron ako ditong siling pangsigang, siling labuyo, and some fresh calamansi. Perfect ito pagka, alam mo yung pampulutan. Pero sa totoo lang, me personally, I love this as ulam sa kanin. And pwede mo din itong isisling. Kaso lang, one thing na nangyayari kapag sinisling mo itong dinakdakan is, nagse-separate yung mayonnaise. Okay. Put your sili. More sili on top. Siling labuyo. Calamansi on the side. Ano pang kulang? Beer. Okay, so there you have it. Your dinakdakan. Not so authentic, but definitely delish. Okay, now let's try this. Pwede mo lagyan ng kalamansi, pero sa akin, it's just fine. Ay. You know, it's like, yung parang modern sisig na may mayonnaise. Ganun yung lasa niya, pero with the addition of grilling the liempo. Kasi di ba mostly, yung mga modern sisig, deep fried, tapos sinisisling. Hindi na nila iniihaw. This one, yung pagkaihaw dun sa liempo really has the best effect on the flavors. And I'm sure, mas bonggang-bongga yan kapag inihaw mo sa uling. So what are you waiting for? Gumawa ka na nitong dinakdakan because this will surely bring you not only to Baguio, but to different places in the north na hindi ko pa napupuntahan at pupuntahan ko pa lang. I'm going to see you all soon. Take care.